So I've been trying to do more and more videos upstairs over the last little while because, well, for one, many of you that watch the vlog videos realize that I kind of hurt my ankle/knee. Food allergies, you gotta hate it as you get older. Anyways, I've been doing some videos up there, which is nice, but I do get a little more limited because I don't have any lights. I have windows, so I try to figure out when to shoot based on when the light is good. But that's not always optimum, and it's not a horrible light, but it doesn't allow you to like play with the light or anything like that. So the folks over at, I'm going to say this, APEXEL sent me over a little lighting kit. Now this is the APEXEL FL19. It's a two-piece, they say, soft USB LED video portable light kit with adjustable tripod stands and color filters. Oh yes, this is it right here. Like this is, I think this is US based, but still $40 for two lights. You know, this could be perfect for a lot of people. Like this is basically the setup that I'm hoping for right there, right there. As long as I have enough room to put it behind my desk upstairs, it should be perfect. Little filters, not that that's something I would use, but it's there, suitable for various situations. This guy hasn't, it's funny, right? They have these pictures here, but it's always like the light's behind them. I'm like, why is the light behind them? Right? But I get it, whatever. They must have another light in front of them. That seems useful for sure, right? That's something I'd be using. This, I guess, a nice little edging light, which is nice. Blue when you're gaming, but I got some gaming lights. So yeah, this is cool, right? LED lights, yep. Soft and light and diffuse, yeah. Dual control. It has a remote control, a wire control, dual control. Wow, there's a lot of words in there. Dimming, one remote dual. Holy moly. Ideal for product photography. It's a 1/4-inch interface, which is pretty standard, right? USB powered, which is also really nice. Intimate design. Bow waka chaka bow wow. And there's a package list. All right, that's cool. That's cool. I think $40, right? Now, this could be a really great option for someone, like I said, starting out. Not that I'm just starting out. These could be, if they're decent, these could be just nice lights to have in a small studio area, which is exactly what my studio area is upstairs, right? Here, for instance, I use a pretty big, not huge, but decent size softbox. But let's see how these work out. Let's see how these work out. Okay, so this is the little box. Now, what would be cool, and I don't know if it is that, this camera's not straight. There we go. That's better. All right, APEXEL FL19 USB LED video light. It's a lovely box. It's a little banged up, but I always blame that on delivery. I don't know if it came like that, but whatever. Yes, cool. And this needs to be spunded around so you guys can read that. It's got a little bit of information on the side, right? Etc. etc. There you go. Now my hope is, I don't know if it is, and it's hard to. Whoa, stuff's falling down. I'd say my hope is that it comes with a little carry case, but I also can't be overly demanding for $40, right? Because $40. So no carry case. Carry case would have been lovely. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna put this over here and we'll bring it all out. More stuff falling off the table. I got stuff on the table, just so you know. Anyways, you get USB LED light. Now my hope is, and I don't know, I don't think, this may be something as well, right? Because you have to take into account that I don't think this comes with any kind of little power bricks. So you want to make sure that you have something, right? It does look like it comes with possibly a remote. This whole thing, okay, there we go. I was like, this whole thing is not in a language I can read. Anyways, it does look like it has a wired remote. That may be on the physical cable, and then a wireless remote, possibly. All right, okay. But as far as I can tell, I don't think it's going to come with any kind of power, like a power brick that you can plug into like your AC. I think it's going to be strictly, you know, USB So you have to either plug it into your computer or you're going to have your own power supply. Now this is the size of the lights. It's a nice little light. It's put together well. It's got little tripod. Now the other thing it comes with its own little light stand / tripods. But you know what? If you had a little tabletop tripods, you could just use those if you didn't necessarily want something that big. You know, a lot of us have those already. But there's that you know, remote that's on the actual light. So you got a power. I'm guessing this is going to be mode for changing it. Maybe it has color temperatures. Maybe it goes from. Let's do this, shall we? Let's plug this in. We got one. We'll plug it in. Why not? Let's just plug it in. Don't have anything fall over. Okay, so let's just do this. So you do get a little light on there. So we'll hit the power button. Boom, boom shakalaka. Okay, so the up and down arrows. Yeah, that's going to be intensity, right? All the way down to like that's really flat, right? It almost doesn't even look like it's on, but it's even. I'm going to give it that. Like that's an even light coming out of there. Normally you'd be like, you'd think you'd see some almost like dead spots, but nope, that's even. So let's bring that back up a little bit, and then we'll go to mode. Oh yeah, so you get some color temperatures in there. You get 3, right? So kind of like just the bluish tone, then the more yellow, and then a mix of the 2. And then you can crank that up to bright. Yeah, that's good. That's nice and bright, and that's just one of them. Off. Okay, I'm down. That's cool. That's all right. And then of course, you get a second one, because 2. You do get all your light diffusers. So depending on if you want to give it a blue tint or a red tint, what do you get for colors? Blue, another different blue, different shades. Oh, I guess because you get 2 of them, right? 2 blues, 2 greens, 2 yellows, 2 reds. There you go. Am I going to use those? Never. Well, I say never, but there could be a chance. There could be a chance, right? There is your wireless remote. Now, my guess is this comes or doesn't come with a battery, but I don't know for sure. Ready? Oh, it does come with a battery and a little, so it should be ready to go right out of the gate. Hold on now. Let's just see. I'm curious. On, off. Boom. That one turned on because that's the one that's plugged in. That makes sense. I'm holding the one that's not. And these would be for both lights, right? You can see that there's a blue and a, right? This one's not gonna because it has no power. Well, that's nice too. That's nice. I like that. Then you also get little tripod, little heads. These are gonna be little ball heads so that you can angle them, get them wherever you need them. And then of course you get the physical legs. Are they gonna be expensive legs? No, because the whole kit is $40. $40. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's go upstairs. I'm going to wait till the light gets a little dimmer, and then we'll see how they work. Okay. All right, guys, so I am upstairs, and you can tell it's a bit darker out than normal. I'm hoping the camera is focusing on me. And I do have the lights set up top here. What I didn't realize is that the one on the right is for my one on the left and vice versa. I can change that if I wanted to, but it shouldn't be a big deal. Ready? I think I should be able to power this on. Oh, I have them hooked into batteries. One sec. There we go, because my battery goes to sleep because it's an older one. Ready? Oh, there's one. And that's all right. That gives me a good, nice side light right there. And I can play around, of course, with the brightness and all that. I can change the color temperature if I want it, right? Depending. I'll kind of leave it right at that one. I think that's good. Then if I want this one on, again, I have it hooked into a battery that's not on right now. Hold on. There we go. So now we've got, it looks like we've got really good lighting, right? And again, I can play around with this one's. I could try to tone it down a little bit. Just maybe I wanted to set up as a little bit more of a fill light versus that one. So I could just turn it all the way off, or make sure I'm using the right one. There we go. Crank it all the way up. Figure out where I want. I keep pushing it down too much. Or change the color temperature on this one. Yeah, that's all right, because even if you're going to use these for
doing Zoom calls or doing whatever. It's nice to be able to just kind of give you that extra bit of light so that you can kind of separate yourself from the background. Also, your camera is going to just love you a lot more, so it's not going to be near as noisy. And even though, you know, it's not dark here, it's dark enough so that the camera would definitely be having issues. So I think this is a complete win, especially for the price point. And if you guys are looking at anything for setting up a little studio, these could be a really nice addition. All right, guys, I'll leave links down below to where you can get them. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.